What is up, guys? It is Polo. I'm vlogging on the GoPro right now, and we're in Japan, still in Japan. By the title of the video, you already know what's going on. You already know what's happening. This is an exciting day. This is an exciting, fun day, dude. I'm so hyped. I'm on my way to pick up the car right now, pick up the R33 GTR. Showing you guys the car real quick, just because I parked up, and yeah, it looks clean, looks great. Get it right now, baby. Since it's already getting dark and I still want to go to Daikoku Futo for the car meets, that's what we're gonna do now. We're gonna go right to the car meets and we'll pull an all-nighter tonight, stay up all night, and then go do a sunrise at like one of the lakes with Mount Fuji in the background, go to the beach, you know, do all that outdoorsy, you know, road trip fun stuff. But for now, since we're already in the city and traffic's already insane, which, you know, I didn't know about because I'm not from here, you know, gaijin type stuff, but we're gonna go straight to Daikoku Futo. We're gonna try to get a car meet. We're gonna try to see some dope cars. We're gonna try to have some fun tonight and just chill, just vibe. And after all that's over, in a different video, I'm gonna try to do all the other stuff. That's the plan as of now. Konnichiwa. After missing some exits, paying about $70 in tolls to get here, I finally made it to the Daikoku Futo parking lot. I'm pretty early, which is good for me because late, like the cops kick everyone out, you know, just because it gets way too packed, people get crazy. Obviously not me, I'm just here to look, see what's going on. I just want to see all the beautiful cars and the car culture. So yeah, since I'm early, about to go get some vending machine snacks because that's what you do here, bro. And I'll show you how much they got, bro. It's insane. Like, bruh. This destroys anything else in Tokyo, bro. Holy crap. Sick cars lining up. The only problem is people are telling me that apparently there's a typhoon tomorrow. And it's supposed to hit like this area. And that's why now it's already pouring down rain. And apparently people aren't supposed to show up because of that. So that sucks. That's just my luck. So it's whatever, you know. I only got the car for a few days, you know. I'm gonna enjoy this car meet even if there's like only 5 cars. And then after that, I'm gonna figure out what I want to do tonight because I want to pull on later and take this on some cool adventures. But apparently this typhoon is gonna ruin that. So we'll figure something out. Right now, I'm about to get some vending machine hot chocolate. What's the move, bro? It's hella fresh, hella chocolatey, and oops, and hella good. I'm at Daikoku Futo still. There's a bunch of cars now, and this is my friend Masato and Shunya. Yeah. And so he actually has a WRX as well. That's the one I was looking at earlier. So yeah, I miss my baby at home. I miss my car, and we're just gonna go look at Daikoku Futo all night. We're gonna stay right here and have some fun. That's crazy. RX-7's everywhere. That's wild, bro.
So many skylines.
So many skylines. Even more. I know, skylines everywhere. This is the American dream. Skylines everywhere. That's crazy. Midnight. The meet is still going strong, and the cops are here just to kind of keep everyone under control. Everyone's, you know, it's Japan. Everyone's like nice. Everyone's safe. So it's a great time. It's positive. You know, no one's going crazy. No one's being like rude to anyone. It's so awesome. The culture and everything just makes it even better. And yeah, I'm just gonna stay here and just chill for a little bit. I'm like drenched in sweat. It's like so hot. So I just got some ice cream from the gas station right there. Japanese gas stations, the move. Always, bro. Better than most restaurants in the US. No offense. Yeah, I'm gonna go devour some more food. I'll see you guys later. Ooh. Hey. Beautiful, like the city now?
Yeah. So good.
Yeah.
So high. Yeah. Oh, it's so fast.
I know.
Awesome.
Yeah. Alright guys, so it's about 2:30 a.m. It's starting to die down a little bit, and I had an amazing night. This is gonna be the end of the vlog. Thanks everyone so much for watching. Doing this is literally a dream come true. Seeing the car culture, seeing everyone meet up, everyone become a family, everyone like just being peaceful, having a good time. You know, no one's doing anything crazy. Everyone's just chilling in a parking lot, you know, becoming friends. And today I made a lot of friends, and I'll never forget this day. It's probably, you know, it's crazy what I did today. Just, you know, going to Japan by myself, renting a GTR, and I don't know, just driving around Tokyo, and then Daikoku, futo. Like, wow, dude, this is crazy. If you enjoyed, like, comment, subscribe. I appreciate it so much. Thanks everyone for watching. And I'm probably gonna drive around for a little bit. If I do any more crazy stuff, I'll make another vlog, but this is gonna be the end of this vlog. All right, peace out, guys.
Like and subscribe.